How much should you actually spend on a refrigerator? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Midea WHS65LB1 Mini Fridge. First up is the Midea WHS65LB1 Mini Fridge, priced at just $119.99. What caught my attention is its compact size at 1.6 cubic feet, perfect for tight spaces like dorms or small apartments. If you want to keep your beverages and snacks cool without taking up much room, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fridge features an adjustable thermostat that lets you control the temperature from 28.4 to 35.6. That means you can keep your drinks ice cold or your leftovers just right. It's ENERGY STAR certified, so you won't be racking up a huge electric bill either. It only consumes 207 kWh per year. Now, some people complained about it being a bit small for families, especially if you have lots of groceries. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a secondary fridge or something for snacks, this isn't a deal breaker. It's compact and efficient, which is exactly what many people need. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space or just want a mini fridge for drinks. Skip this one if you need a fridge that can hold a full grocery load. For $119.99, it's a great value for what it offers. Now, if that fridge's size isn't quite enough for you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your storage needs. Product number 2, Midea WHD113 FSS 1 Double Door Mini Fridge. Next up is the Midea WHD113 FSS 1 Double Door Mini Fridge, priced at $239.99. This one really caught my eye with its combination of style and function, offering 3.1 cubic feet of space with both a fridge and a freezer. If you need more room without sacrificing style, this is worth a serious look. The fridge ranges from 32 to 50, and the freezer goes from -11, 2 to 5, so everything stays fresh and perfectly chilled. It also has removable glass shelves, which means you can easily customize the interior space based on what you're storing. Plus, it's ENERGY STAR rated, using only 270 kWh per year. Now, I noticed some reviews mentioned it can be a bit noisy at times. But here's the thing, if you're putting this in a busy kitchen or dorm, it's really not that noticeable. So if you're sensitive to noise, you might want to consider this. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish fridge with decent capacity for your drinks and snacks. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter appliance or if you need more freezer space. For $239.99, you're getting a solid mix of style and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something with even more space, let's check out the next one. Product number 3, Frigidaire 2-Door Refrigerator Freezer Combo. Moving on, we have the Frigidaire 2-Door Apartment-Size Refrigerator Freezer Combo, priced at $379.99. This fridge stands out with a spacious 7.5 Ft capacity, making it perfect for those who need ample storage. If you're looking for a fridge that can handle a decent grocery load, this deserves your attention. It features a dedicated freezer compartment with adjustable temperature controls, allowing you to keep everything from ice cream to meats at the right temperature. Plus, it comes with removable glass shelves that make organizing easy. The design is sleek and modern, which adds a nice touch to any kitchen or office space. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't have an ENERGY STAR rating and consumes about 378 kWh per year. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize storage and don't mind a bit higher energy consumption, this fridge is still a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you want lots of storage for your food and drinks. Skip this one if energy efficiency is your top concern. At $379.99, you're paying for space and convenience. Now, if you want a slightly smaller yet equally efficient option, the next fridge is a great choice. Product number 4, BANGSON 7.7 Ft Refrigerator. Next is the BANGSON 7.7 Ft Refrigerator, priced at $377.99. This one is designed for small spaces but offers a generous amount of storage at 7.7 cubic feet. If you need a good-sized fridge that doesn't take up too much room, this is worth a look. It operates quietly at around 39 dB, making it perfect for shared spaces. With removable glass shelves and a dedicated crisper drawer, you can easily organize your food while keeping everything fresh. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. But here's the thing, once you get it plugged in and running properly, it works like a charm and keeps your food perfectly chilled. This is perfect for you if you're living in an apartment or dorm and need a reliable fridge. Skip this one if you want something larger or are looking for a high-end model. For $377.99, it strikes a solid balance between size and efficiency. Finally, if you're still looking for something compact and budget-friendly, let's take a look at the last option. Product number 5, Igloo 3.2 Cu FT Mini Fridge. Lastly, we have the Igloo 3.2 Cu FT Mini Fridge priced at $159.99. This mini fridge is a great choice for those who need a compact solution. If you want a budget-friendly fridge to keep snacks and drinks cool, this is definitely worth considering. The separate freezer compartment is great for ice and frozen foods. One of the best parts, it operates with a simple compressor cooling system, making it easy to maintain. However, it's worth noting that some users mentioned it doesn't cool as effectively as larger models. But here's the thing, if you're just storing snacks and drinks, it does a perfectly good job without taking up much space. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-frills mini fridge for occasional use. Skip this one if you need something with more robust cooling or a larger capacity. At $159.99, it's a fantastic value for anyone on a budget. So to quickly recap, we have the Midea WHS65LB1 mini fridge for that compact need, the Midea WHD113 FSS1 for a stylish double-door option, the Frigidaire for spacious storage, the BANGSON for a solid apartment fridge, and finally the budget-friendly Igloo mini fridge. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses, so think about what you really need. Happy fridge hunting!